After staying at O'Neill, Nebraska for 3 days, we intended to spend several days at McKelvie National Forest in Nebraska, but 93 degrees weather, a bad AC unit and a broken water pump reduced it to a few hours. Still, the McKelvie National Forest is really an impressive forest of sandhills and grassland, with a small wooded area to the south. I love the open vastness of this area. We needed to obtain a map of the area to show the tracks or roads that we could go onto for dispersed camping, but as the ranger station was closed due to the COVID-19 virus, I took a photo of the map in the ranger station door so that we could find the tracks to go exploring. Unfortunately, these tracks really were tracks. I expected them to be gravelled roads, but they were really farm tracks and deeply rutted, so you need good ground clearance. This is a free dispersed camping area, so you can stay up to 14 days. We found we had a very poor signal in this area, and we had to go to roaming to get voice and texting. We didn't get any Wi-Fi. Valentine, Nebraska is probably the best place for Wi-Fi and provisions. The ground itself had a fair number of cow pats, evidence of cows being in the area. It was hard to tell how long ago, as the high temperatures were cooking off the patties rather nicely. Apart from that, it was very peaceful and a really nice area to be in, and we will definitely be going back in the fall. This video is made as a personal record of our travels. It is aimed at family, friends and fellow lovers of the American outdoors. Please leave a friendly comment and please like and subscribe if you would like to see more of these video blogs. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.